Hello, in this second video about map, we will see how to add additional graphic elements to our map. How we can insert elements in a map. In gvsig, we can insert several cartographic elements to a map, such as views, images, scale bar, legends, graphic objects, locator, north, text, boxes, and graphs, and we'll see all of them. And to add an element, just put the mouse on one vertex, and then you can drag until that vertex and drop to identify the area in which the elements will be located. It's very important to add a locator in a map so we can identify our area in a larger and better known environment. Let's say here, this is Central Italy, for example. I have added the locator of all Italy so you know exactly where we are. And to do this, you go on Map, Insert, Locator. This is the window. You select which view you want to insert, then Accept. It will insert the locator that you already loaded in the view. Then you can insert for sure a legend. Insert, Legend. This is the window. You select from which view you want to insert the legend. And if you want to insert the legend of all the layers or just a selection that you prefer, and also the quality of the legend, so I mean the graphic quality. You can as well decide to rotate or change the font to be used for the legend. You see here you can as well change work on the legend. You select the legend, right click, Simplify Legend. So all the single elements of the legend can be modified individually. So you can modify the text or the color using also other symbologies. Remember that if you change here, this will not affect directly the views. Or you can change also in the new gvsig 2.1, you can change the legend directly from the left side of the map where layers have been loaded. For sure, you can insert a scale, so you make insert scale, then you decide from which view you want to insert the scale. If you want to keep interval, and this is let's say the layout of the bar, how many decimal, the interval between one bar and the other, one section of the bar and the other. And here so you can customize all color, show numeric value, where to show the units, and so on. So you have just several possibilities of customizing your scale bar. As well, the north arrow, that's very useful for maps. Insert north, and here you can choose among a very large choice of north arrows symbologies. The box, maybe it can use to frame objects or to show the neighboring maps. You go Insert, Boxes. Here you define how many columns and how many rows. As well, here you can decide to change the degrees, the orientation of the boxes. Then for sure you can insert text. You can insert as many text you want in the map, and once you insert text, you have this user interface. You type what you want to make. The text, if it is centered or aligned left or right, the font, the color. Also here, if you want to change the orientation. If you want the font size, you can type here. If you want to use frame and the color of the frame, the border size, the margins, and if you want to use a title of the text boxes. As well, also for this, for the title, you can choose the color and the size. Finally, you can insert images, logos of your companies, or any other images you want. You can Insert, Image. You browse your hard disk or external hard disk. Also here you can choose, like many other graphics, the quality and the degrees of orientation. You accept, and here it is. So you can insert the map, any image you like, several formats like JPEG, GIF, PNG, bitmap, and SVG. So now we have only to learn how to save templates and print our maps in gvsig 2.1. So next one will be maps printing. Thanks so much.